Welcome to our social studies class. Today we are going to learn another lesson, third lesson, that is climate and us. What is the climate? Climate means what we are experiencing, the outside atmosphere. It is the climate, okay? And you know well, we are experiencing every year the summer season, winter season, rainy season, all these seasons. Okay, the summer season we feel hot, we stay in the houses, we wear light cotton clothes, and in the winter season it is very cool, you wear sweaters in the winter season. Yes, the monkey caps you wear to cover your ears and all these. Okay, the next one is rainy season. Now it is rainy season. In this week, did you observe the rains? Okay, so like this different seasons every year we are seeing, the atmosphere is changing. Okay children, that is climate. Now let us see the difference between weather and climate. What is weather? What is weather? Weather is the atmosphere changing day by day in our surroundings. That is called weather. Okay children. The weather changes day by day. Daily you see in the television also the weather report. Summer season they will announce about the temperature of that particular day. Winter season they announce about the how much cool the weather is outside. Okay, like that the weather changes day by day. Daily it won't give same temperature. Even this is rainy season, no? Daily we won't receive rainfall. One day the sun shines brightly a little. One day it looks total cloudy. Okay children. The day-to-day change in the atmosphere, it is called as weather. What is the climate? Climate is an average temperature for a period of time. For a period of time. It is called climate. Climate won't change day by day. The climate remains for 3 to 4 months of time. So the climatic conditions sometimes it remains for long, more than 4 months also. Okay children. So up to now you know that the climate is changing only because of seasons. Okay, when summer season comes it hot, when winter season comes it is cool, when rainy season comes we see the rainfall. You are thinking like that. But children, you have to observe one thing. There are some other factors that are influencing the climatic conditions of one particular place. Do you know children one thing? Now here we are receiving rainy season, no here in India, here in the Puttamgandi. But whereas if you go America or some other countries, there another seasons will be there. Okay, how the day and night is different from one place to another place. In the same way, the climatic conditions also not the same in all the places of the world. Here you observe the world map once. In this world map, you can observe different colored parts. Are you seeing? The different colored parts are indicating different kinds of climatic conditions of the world. The middle part is looking in one color, no, that is hot zone. Okay, in the top north side and bottom side, they are the cool areas. Okay children, like that the climate is not same everywhere. Now, let us see, what are the factors influence the climate of a particular area? Okay children, are you understanding? The climate is not same total on the earth, the total in the world. It is different from one place to another place. Why it is different? Which things are affecting the climate? Not only seasons, some other factors also affecting the climatic conditions of particular area. Is it clear to you? Not only seasons, some other factors also affecting the climate of an area. Once you observe here, these are the 5 important factors which are affecting the climatic conditions. The first one, latitude and angle of the sun's rays. latitudes. Already you learned about important latitudes, no? I will explain about how the latitudes showing the climatic conditions of the world and angle of the sun's ray. Okay, sun rays are not falling all over the world in the same manner. Okay, it affects the climate. The second one, distance from the sea. So much ocean water is there, 70% ocean water is there on the earth. You know about that. Okay, so distance from the sea. The place which is near the ocean water or far away the ocean water, it affects the climate of the particular area. Third one, height above the sea level. How much distance, how much high it is rising from the sea level, the land. It means the hill area, the mountain area. The mountain areas are having different kind of climatic conditions. Next one, the wind also affect the climate. The fifth one is humidity affect the climate. These are the 5 factors which are affecting the climatic conditions of particular regions, different areas in the world. Okay, children? Now, let us go in detail about the first point, that is latitude and angle of the sun rays. Okay. Now, you see the picture here. We are having solar system, no? You learned about that. In that solar system, our earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, children? Okay. Dear children, it is showing how the sun rays are falling on the earth. The yellow color lines which are falling on the earth, you observe them carefully. All the sun rays are not equally falling on the earth. Okay, some lines are close to the earth. Some lines are slantingly falling on the earth. Okay, are you observing? Now, let us see here this picture. Same like that I drawn here. This is the sun and it is the model of the earth globe. The rays are falling here. You observe here, children. The lines which are short, it means here the sunrise is falling directly, straight, vertically on the earth. Okay, and these lines are going slant, no? So the sunrises are falling slantly. It means the length is long from here to here. Here the length is short. It means close to the sun. Here the climate is hot. Why it is hot? Because the spot is close to the sun. When we go upward a little, here the sun rays is falling slant. And here if you go to the north pole, totally it is slantly. The sun rays are falling in the polar areas. That's why, children, here in the north pole, in the south pole areas, the temperature is very cool. Even the water freezes like ice in that place. In the north pole and south pole areas. Even the river water freezes like ice. The ocean water freezes like ice. Wherever you see only ice everywhere. It means the water also freezes and snow falls there. That's why in these regions, do you know, we cannot see any plants because of ice. Those are called as ice deserts or polar areas or tundra regions. Okay, children? Now, so are you understanding that? The climate on the earth is different from one place to another place because of the rays of the sun. Is it clear? Now, how it is affecting? Which area is hot, which area is cool? Let us see with the help of different latitudes. This latitude picture already you learned in the first lesson, no? The middle one, 0 degrees equator, then north side, 23.5 degrees tropic of Cancer, after that 66.5 degrees Arctic circle. It's 0 degrees, it is 23.5 degrees, it is 66.5 degrees Arctic circle. Okay, and if you come to the south side, again 23.5 degrees tropic of Capricorn. and 66 and of degrees Antarctic Circle. Already you learned about this. And how these latitudes are helping us to know about the climatic conditions. Let us see here. Equator area on the earth is straight to the sun. So this part is very hot. Now wherever I am shading like this, all this part, equator to north side and equator to south side, it is called as torrid zone. Torrid zone means here the climate is very hot. Very hot means the temperature is high. In this area, mostly people wear light cotton clothes. Most of the seasons, even it is summer or winter or it is rainy season, we experience a hot climate here. Okay children, next one. Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. Here wherever I am keeping dots. On this dotted area, it is called temperate zone. It is called as temperate zone. Which zone is temperate zone? Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. It means 23 and of degrees to 66 and of degrees. North side also 23 and of degrees to 66 and of degrees. This place is called as temperate zone. In that temperate zone, the climate is not very hot and not very cool. The normal temperature will be there. Mostly they experience cool weather only. They won't experience very hot like the equator or in the torrid zone. Torrid zone is very hot. Temperate zone is the normal climate they will experience. In the winter season, it will be very cool. Even the snow falls there in the winter seasons. Okay children. Now, when you go to the 66 and of degrees to 90 degrees. 90 degrees is North Pole, no? In this place, this part is called as freeze zone. And here also, Antarctic Circle, this part is called as freeze zone. Why it is called as freeze? It is called as a freeze zone or polar zone or the tundra region. Because there the temperature is in minus degrees like deep freeze. In your house freezes are there? Did you observe the deep freeze? If you keep a bottle of water, the water changes like ice. So here in this freezer zone, the water freezes like ice. It means there the temperature is very low in the minus degrees. That's why they are called as freezer zones. They are called as polar regions also because it is North Pole and South Pole. Why it is very cool? It is because of the slant sunrises. Okay children, I hope all of you understood about this first point, that important latitudes. The latitudes are helping us to understand about the climatic condition of particular area. Angle of the sun rises. The angle of the sun rays is affecting the climate of particular region. Okay, once you see here, our Indian country approximately locates here children. Okay, South India locates near the torrid zone. Okay, torrid zone only. Mostly our Indian country is located here in this part. Torrid zone area. That's why we experience warm climate only. Almost in all the seasons, we feel little warm. But whereas in the summer it is very hot, you know. Okay, all of you write this important, what are the factors influencing the climate. I will send photograph also. Write all these spellings and learn these children. Listen carefully the lesson once again and try to understand. Okay, thank you. Children, all of you draw this climatic zones picture in your book.